Are you ready for today's recipe? If you're not, you better be ready. Yes! Hello guys, welcome and welcome back. By the way, what's your favorite food? Today we are in the kitchen and I want to share with you this amazing recipe. If you have ever tried this, you can comment down and tell us how it is. I know, like most of you, everyone has a list of food that they like and those that they don't like. But if you try this, you're going to add it among those favorite foods that you love. So kindly sit, have a drink, sip as you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give the video a like, share with a friend, comment, and also subscribe because we love visitors. Subscribe and comment. Done. I will really appreciate your subscription. Yes, enjoy the family as we grow together. I love you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Kindly watch till the end and you will love it.
Kakao kadogo.
Tukule chemical. No. Mimi si hizo. Ngoto nosha na sabuni. Toshaje nyanya na sabuni guys. Or guys, do you do that?
It is to get clean.
Nasema kule hoho nyanya clean. Guys, how do you do that by the way? You wash nyanya with soap or no? For me it's a no. So guys, these are my dhania. I'm just going to leave them here at least soak zitwe mchanga. Yeah.
Mama acting. Mama acting. Mom. Mama acting.
Yes, cutting.
It's cabbage.
This is not cabbage.
Huh?
This is tomato.
Tomato.
Stop, baby.
Wait, chili.
No, not too many confused. Okay.
It's cabbage.
This is not cabbage.
Hmm?
This is tomato.
Tomato. Mama acting. Mama acting.
Yes, I'm cutting.
Miss. Mama Isa. Oi. It's cabbage. Mama, it's cabbage. Mama, it's cabbage. Mommy,
Yes.
it's cabbage.
It's not cabbage, it's called tomato. This is onion.
Onion.
Onion. Yes.
Tomato. It's tomato.
No, onion.
Tomato. Mama, it's tomato. Tomato. Wait. Mama cookie cabbage. Mama cookie cabbage.
Are you missing cabbage?
Hmm? Misha.
So guys, as you can see, our tomatoes and onions are now well cooked. We have to add in our main ingredient, which is yams and potatoes. Yes, then we will let them steam for at least 3 to 5 minutes before we add water. Yeah, then let them cook very well. So guys, I know you're watching from all over the world. You have to try this recipe. Yes, because I have fans from Philippines, UK, US, India, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Kindly try it, then you let us know. Just from this, you will love it for sure. You'll love it. So enjoy. The food was cooking. Just after I added the water, I forgot that I was filming, and I did not also show you when I was serving. I'm so sorry for that, because this was my second round. As you can just see from this furia, yeah, we had already served the first round, and this was my second round for me. Thanks guys for watching till this end. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Try this recipe and you will love it. Make sure you give the video a like, comment if you love the food, and also share, subscribe if you have not joined this family. In this channel we love visitors. Subscribe, then comment. Done. I love you so much. See you in the next video.